Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making these raw caramel bars. They're super easy to make, so let's do it. So start by making base. You're gonna mix almond flour with coconut oil and maple syrup, and please add a little bit of salt because it gives really nice flavor. So you're gonna stir everything together until fully combined. You can use your fingers or your spoon, whatever you like, but I like to use fingers at the end because I really can feel the texture and if it's coming together or not. So you want to press with your fingers, and if it's sticky and coming together, it's perfect for making the base. When you reach the perfect consistency, transfer the dough into the prepared mold, tin or something else. I like to use silicone one, and then I don't need to add baking paper, so it's really easy to remove out. I use this square one and it's perfect for this kind of dessert. Then tap it down really firmly and evenly. And then it's time to prepare a caramel layer. I like to use cashew butter for this recipe because it doesn't have any strong taste like almond butter or I don't know, peanut butter. So you're gonna mix cashew butter with maple syrup, coconut oil, vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. If it's too difficult to mix and it's too stiff, you can also heat it up a little bit, the mixture, and then it will loosen up a little bit, so it will be easier to mix. So after a few moments of whisking and stirring, you're gonna get this perfect caramel cream, and you're gonna transfer it onto the prepared base layer. With spatula, smooth it evenly on top of this bottom base layer. You want to get perfectly smooth and even as possible. Then it's time for chocolate layer. You can cut this part and just melt the dark chocolate with a little bit of coconut oil, but I like to make my own chocolate, so I'm melting coconut butter with some maple syrup, vanilla essence and pinch of salt. Then I'm adding cacao powder and just mix everything together until you get this creamy, thick chocolate. Look how beautiful and shiny it is. It's so easy to make and so delicious. And then you're gonna pour this melted chocolate or homemade chocolate over the caramel layer. Smooth it out evenly with spatula, but be careful not to stir too much because it will mess up with the caramel layer, so just spread it really carefully. And then it's time for freezer. You can put it in the fridge or freezer. I prefer freezer, and I put it overnight and then remove from this mold, and then with warm knife I cut these beautiful bars. I really hope you're gonna try this recipe. It's really super simple to make and the taste is so amazing. Just look this chocolate with caramel and this beautiful base of almonds. Wow, the flavors are really amazing. You can also sprinkle a little bit of salt on top of the chocolate. It really gives a nice enhanced taste of chocolate and the balance of this sweetness. So beautiful. So that's it, guys. I hope you will try this recipe. If you try it, please comment if you like it and you didn't like it, what you want to change, and just like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.